Have you ever felt so drained that even the simplest task feels impossible? That constant fatigue, loss of motivation, and disconnect from things you once loved, that's burnout. It doesn't happen overnight, but when it does, it can shake your confidence, your health, and your happiness. The good news? Burnout is not permanent. With the right strategies, you can recover, rebuild your energy, and rediscover balance in your life. In this video, we'll explore how to recognize the warning signs of burnout and practical, step-by-step ways to heal. Recognizing burnout. Recovery starts with awareness. Burnout doesn't just mean being tired, it has distinct signs. Let's look at the most common ones. Emotional exhaustion, feeling completely drained, emotionally empty, and unable to cope with daily demands. Detachment and cynicism. You may start feeling disconnected from your work, losing interest, or even becoming negative toward colleagues or tasks. Reduced efficacy. That creeping sense of failure where no matter how much you do, it never feels enough. Other warning signs. Insomnia, constant anxiety, irritability, memory lapses, and even physical symptoms. How to recover burnout. 1. Set clear boundaries. Work should not bleed into every part of your life. Establish a firm line between work and personal time. Say no to extra commitments when you're already stretched thin. 2. Prioritize self-care. Burnout thrives when we neglect the basics. Self-care isn't indulgence, it's survival. Sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours to allow your body and brain to reset. Exercise. Even a 20-minute walk can lift your mood and reduce stress hormones. Nutrition. Whole foods, hydration, and balanced meals fuel both energy and focus. 3. Take regular breaks. Productivity isn't about grinding endlessly, it's about working smart. Short, intentional breaks help prevent mental fatigue. 4. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness brings you back to the present moment. Try meditation, journaling, or even a few minutes of deep breathing to calm your thoughts. 5. Seek support. No one has to go through burnout alone. Open up to trusted friends or family. If you feel stuck, reaching out to a therapist or counselor can provide professional tools for recovery. 6. Disconnect and reconnect. Burnout makes life feel joyless, so reclaim it. Say no to draining commitments and say yes to the things that light you up again. 7. Reassess your goals. Sometimes burnout is a sign you're climbing the wrong ladder. Step back and ask yourself, are my goals aligned with my values? Is this path sustainable for my well-being? Burnout is not a weakness, it's a warning. A sign that something in your life needs realignment. By setting boundaries, prioritizing self-care, seeking support, and reconnecting with joy, you can rebuild your energy and step into a healthier, more balanced future. Remember, recovery doesn't happen overnight, but every small step you take is a step toward healing.